In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change your status automatically in Slack. If you want Slack to update your status for you when you're in meetings, this is a simple feature that can save time and make your availability clearer to your team. Instead of manually setting your status every time your schedule changes, Slack can do it automatically once it's connected properly. To get started, open Slack and look to the lower left corner of the screen. Click on your profile there. This opens the menu where you can manage your personal settings, including your current status and availability options. If you haven't used this menu much before, this is where many of your day-to-day profile controls live. From that menu, click on Update Your Status. This takes you into the status settings area where you can choose or customize what other people see next to your name. It's the place Slack uses to show whether you're available, away, or busy. Next, navigate to the Automatically Update section. This area is important because it allows Slack to connect your status to other tools and events, rather than relying on you to update it manually. If your goal is to reflect your meeting schedule automatically, this is the setting you'll want to use. Once you're there, click on In a Meeting. This option tells Slack that you want your status to change whenever a meeting is happening on your connected calendar. It's especially useful if you regularly switch between conversations, calls, and focused work, because it gives coworkers a clearer picture of when you may be unavailable. After selecting that option, click Add. This begins the setup process for the automatic meeting-based status update. At this point, Slack is preparing to link the feature with your calendar so it can detect when meetings are taking place. You'll then be prompted to allow the calendar connection. Click Allow to enable Google Calendar integration. Once this is approved, Slack will be able to automatically change your status when you are in a meeting. This helps reduce interruptions and keeps your status accurate without extra effort from you. As a quick tip, after enabling this, it's a good idea to check that your calendar events are set up correctly so Slack can recognize them as meetings. That way, the automation works smoothly and your team gets the right status at the right time. And that's it. Once the connection is active, Slack can automatically reflect when you're in a meeting, helping you stay focused while keeping your coworkers informed.